Welcome back on my channel. My dear students, in my previous video, I have discussed with you about some important recommendation of Indian Education Commission or Kothari Commission. In my previous video, I have discussed with you about the subjects that should be in the curriculum and syllabus of education from pre-primary to higher education as per the recommendation of the Kothari Commission. Today, in this video, I am going to discuss about the reformation of examination system as per the recommendation of Kothari Commission. You already have come to know, as I already have told in my previous video, that the Commission told or refused any kind of external examination. The Commission felt one thing, that there will be huge number of students in every school, and every year this kind of huge number of students go to sit for external examination in the schools in which they don't have read or don't recognize any one of them, and the teachers also don't know them. As a result, the teacher will examine the students and examine their quality only on the basis of their examination, not on the basis of their whole year labor that they have given in their curriculum. And in the previous examination system, there will be no word for the development, for the overall development of the learners. That is why the Indian Education Commission or Kothari Commission totally rejected or refused the external examination. Instead of external examination, the Commission told to organize internal evaluation of the students in all fields, not in the field of only bookish knowledge, also in the field of their practical work experience, their creative work, etc. In this topic, I should also mention one thing that the Commission felt. The Commission felt that central government and state government invested a huge number of money in the field of education. But every year, a huge number of students from every schools got failed, and some of them left study in the middle of their studies. As a result, the invested money by the central government and state government got wasted, and the process of forming a educated society got stagnant. You may write in your examination the point named wastage and stagnation of education. Come to the main topic. As a result, the Commission recommended that if a student fails in the examination, it focused on the errors in our education system. If a student fails in the examination, the commission felt that it was not his or her fault. It was the fault of our education system, the fault of our teachers, and also the fault of our external examination system. That is why the commission recommended to arrange some extra classes and some other initiatives so that the students may get one chance and may qualify in their examination and may qualify for their next step. And in this way, the national wealth will not be wasted and there will be no stagnation in our society. The commission also recommended in the lower secondary education, secondary stage and higher secondary stage, there will be external examination and the student will get their progress report not only on the basis of their external examination or on the basis of their bookish knowledge, they will also get number on their yearly work experience in their schools, in their creative work experience in their schools, etc. So these were the reforms of examination as per the recommendation of the Kothari Commission. My dear students, notes related to the videos have already been given in PDF format in our college WhatsApp group. You can also find the supporting notes in every video's description. If you want more about the video or about the topic, you can also mail me on shubhendu.haldar57@gmail.com. You can also follow me on my YouTube channel subhendu.haldar57@gmail.com. That is shubhendu.haldar57@gmail.com. The mail ID has also given on the video description. Thank you.